Well, I would say we're ending 2017 on a good note, and I think that will probably continue. But we should be aware that markets go up and down. We've seen a lot of growth in the prices of cryptocurrencies this year, and I mean, anybody who's invested in the stock market knows these things don't go up forever. And that's certainly happened in Bitcoin. We've seen ups and downs. There's a lot of volatility. So the one thing I worry about is with these prices and with a lot of attention and excitement, we're probably getting a lot of investors who are getting in for the first time, and I worry about where prices will go because they just can't continue the upward trajectory forever. There will be a period of selling at some point that we just haven't seen in some time, but it will happen. I don't know what will trigger that sort of event, whether it's a regulatory issue or some sort of technical hack or something like that. But I feel pretty good about where we're at, but I'm also a bit cautious about these huge 2x 100% gains that we're seeing in cryptocurrency because it's not sustainable.
It's definitely jumped the chasm, and I would imagine that I was reading today that they think it's a lot of Asian investors have jumped on board that has pushed the price up. But I would imagine that, like everything, it's always good to have some balance. So hopefully we will get some balance in 2018, however that happens. And but in the meantime, it's great that the world's paying attention.
I agree. And on the point of Asia in particular, we've seen Japan go towards full regulation of cryptocurrencies, which has been very good for them. South Korea in particular, there's been a lot of speculation. On the other side, though, the Chinese have been kind of, we don't really know where they are going to sit. They're not playing. They're not showing their cards while they're at the table playing this game. And I think we're seeing hyper speculation in this market, and it's sort of snowballing because once the price hits, there's these magical numbers. It hits 10,000. There's some sort of fundamental trigger that hits with the media and with people, hits 15,000, 20,000. But then after that, like, where do we go? 25,000, 50,000, 100,000? Maybe it'll get there, but I just don't see it happening right away. It would take a ton of momentum for it to get there.